Alrighty, working on the electric motorcycle. This is the wiring diagram, the way the bike is wired up right now. This is the SLA, the lead acid battery pack, the charger plug, power cutoff, contactor, battery charger, the motor, and the speed controller. So the main difference from the way it's set up now to switching it over to a lithium battery with a BMS, of course adding the BMS, but we've got the lithium battery shown with the balance connector going to the BMS. We've got the power cutoff, got the contactor, the charger, the motor, speed controller, and then the charger plug is up here. So the main difference from the way I have it set up presently to this new setup is the ground battery cable going from the battery to the B- on the speed controller should now be going from the minus of the battery pack to the B- of the BMS, and then coming out of the P- of the BMS going to the B- of the speed controller. And the battery charger negative would also connect to the P- of the BMS now. So mainly, instead of the battery cable going straight to the B- of the speed controller and to the minus of the charger, the BMS is in between to do its thing. I think I got it.